How do you make fish grow lungs and breathe through noses on land? At first, ancient people simply put fish into wooden barrels, but the space inside the barrels was limited, and the fish would easily suffocate from lack of oxygen. So, you covered the fish with moist rice straw to keep their bodies wet and extend their survival time. However, once out of water, the fish struggled violently, causing them to consume oxygen too quickly. So, how could fish survive on land? You then fixed the fish onto bamboo poles. This did restrict their movement and reduced oxygen consumption. You also poured water on them regularly to help them stay alive longer. Yet the fish still could not properly open their gills to breathe air, so they still could not survive for very long. Then, being clever, you came up with another idea. You threaded a rope through the fish's mouth and nostrils, bending the fish into a bow shape toward the right side, while firmly tying the other end to the tail. After that, you placed the fish back into clean water so they could expel mud and waste from their bodies, reducing weight and lowering the risk of infection. Unexpectedly, when the fish were taken out again, a miracle seemed to happen. The fish could actually stay alive out of water. So what was the real secret behind this? The unique bow-shaped binding not only effectively restricted the fish's movement and reduced oxygen consumption, but also naturally kept the fish's mouth and gills open, allowing them to directly absorb oxygen from the air. Congratulations! You had invented the traditional Jianu Gongyu fish preservation method.